Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Compass oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine. If your Compass has a push-button start, press the button once without pressing the brake pedal. This action powers up the dashboard lights and prepares the system for the reset process. Next, you'll need to interact with the accelerator pedal. Fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 separate times. It's crucial to perform these 3 presses within a 10-second window. Make sure each press is a complete movement down to the floor and then fully released. This specific sequence sends the reset command to your vehicle's computer. Once you've completed the 3 accelerator pedal presses, turn the ignition completely off. Now, start your Jeep Compass as you normally would. The oil change indicator light on your dashboard should no longer be illuminated. If the light remains on, simply repeat the entire procedure, ensuring your timing and pedal presses are precise. Remember, this reset procedure should only be performed after you have completed an actual oil change. Resetting the light prematurely can interfere with your vehicle's maintenance schedule. For any specific details or variations for your particular model, always refer to your Jeep Compass owner's manual. Regular maintenance keeps your vehicle running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.